Actually, I was not prepared for a speech, but nevertheless, I think when I received a call from Nathan last evening, I had so many things scheduled for today, but when Nathan said that there is some important cause which he would like to have my support, and mentioned about this trail which is going to take place in July, and that they wanted to launch it today to help the children, the future children of Sri Lanka who's suffering from cancer. And as Sarinda mentioned earlier, that this is a disease I guess every individual has experienced in some way through a relative or a close family friend or a distant friend. And here I can tell you that I am one person who has experienced it very closely, because my father, who was diagnosed with cancer 3 years ago, was something which was very hard for me to take up at the time. And when we got the news, it was so much disturbing, where we were wondering where we should take him for treatment. And at the age of 82, it was very difficult for us to fly him overseas, and we had to consult so many doctors locally, and ultimately we managed to get hold of 3 doctors who told us it's going to be very hard to revive him. So it's been a very, very emotional moment for me, especially watching those clips. And I have been doing whatever I can in my small little way towards this cause. But I know, as a country which has gone through so much in the last 30 years, it is a great opportunity today to come together and make a huge difference to the future people of Sri Lanka. And the only way you could achieve that is if you work towards one goal together. And I think the greatest example is when we won the World Cup in '96. I can tell you one thing. After the Australian tour of '95, the whole team came together as one unit because of the things what all of us had to go through on that Australian tour. And I can assure you that if we all get together as one unit to eradicate cancer or to help the people in this country, is not going to be difficult. I don't want to talk at length because it's such an emotional thing, and I am so happy to be part of this. And therefore, to show my part of contribution, I know I won't be able to join Sarinda walking all the way from Mathura to Jaffna, because I don't think my fitness levels will keep me going. But to show my appreciation and the gratitude, I would like to announce a 250,000 rupee donation on behalf of my father, in memory of my father, towards this cause. And I hope this will be a success, and I will support you all the way in whatever way I can, and whichever way you request me to towards this goal. Thank you very much.